Welcome back to the OATS functional testing video course. In this video course, we will learn how we can create a simple test automation project in OpenScript. Well, OpenScript is the IDE which is built on top of Eclipse. This is what is given by the OATS suite. This is the place where we can create test automation scripts for functional testing and load testing. Now let us understand what are the different kinds of functional testing and load testing that we can perform, or the scripts that we can create. So in functional testing, we have automation of Adobe Flex applications, and then EBS forms, Oracle Fusion ADF. This is the Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. And then we have JD Edwards, JET, Siebel. There are two kinds of UI, and then ultimately the web-based applications. And then there's also, if you don't have any applications that are not recognizing, this has been recently introduced, the image based recording. Using this project, you can automate with this kind of architecture. And then next we have load testing, like you can create scripts for different protocol automation. We have a web, Siebel, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Hyperion, Oracle Fusion, EBS, and Adobe Flex. So these are the different kinds of projects that we can create, test automation projects, be it be functional or load testing. Now let's get into the practicals. I will show you how we can create the scripts in OpenScript. So I think by now you know how you can launch the OpenScript. Just as a reminder, please launch OpenScript using run as administrator option. And now you are presented with the IDE here. You can either go to File, New, or we have a toolbar. The first icon is about creating a new project. So when we click on it, you get a wizard. Select a wizard, like what kind of project you want to start with. So for now, we will look at how we can create a web functional test automation project. So select web. And as I showed you earlier, these are the two types of projects that you can create. I mean, two kinds, like completely like load testing and functional testing. So under functional testing, now we are selecting web. Click on next. So we have a repository with name online training. So we will be creating all our scripts in this particular folder for the entire course. So I'm just creating something called first script. And then you can click on finish. This will create you a first project, which is capable of automating web-based applications. So it will take some time to initialize and create the script and provide you with the interface where you can see the script and all those things. Okay, the script is created. So we have three views here: tree view, Java code view, assets. Tree view and Java code view is just a different way of seeing the script. There are three sections here: initialize, run, and finish. We will be discussing more about in the future courses. I mean, in the future sessions of the same course. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we will look at how we can record and play back a script that will give you a basic introduction on the tool. Thank you.